So now we will go to the next point. JDK versus JRE versus JVM. JDK, Java Development Kit. JDK, Java Development Kit. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So what is JDK? To develop and execute a Java program, we need an environment. That environment is JDK. Suppose I will tell Anurag, you write a Java program. Then the question is where you will write a Java program. Suppose you wrote a Java program in Notepad. Then who is responsible to compile? We know Java compiler is responsible to compile. Then where Java compiler will come? Then where Java interpreter will come?
Sir, JDK.
Are you understanding? So
Yes, sir.
to develop and execute a Java program, we need to install JDK, Java Development Kit. So that is Java software that we have to install. Once we will install JDK, so JDK 8, JDK 9, JDK 10, JDK 11, lots of versions are nowadays playing in the market, but I will suggest, strictly speaking, always you will install JDK 1.8 version because that is very compatible with
Sir,
every Eclipse. In later on, we will work with the Eclipse environment.
sir,
Yes,
sir, I have 15.1, JDK 15.1.
JDK
Is that okay?
15.1, there is no problem. But in later on, currently first 15 days, we will work with Notepad. Notepad is an editor. But
Okay,
slowly, we will move to Eclipse.
yes, sir.
Eclipse Neon, Eclipse Oxygen. But JDK 1.8 is very compatible with the Eclipse, very many Eclipse. Okay. And lots of features, suppose feature is updating. Within a 6 month, a new version is coming. But accordingly, Eclipse is not developing. Okay. So my suggestion is if you have JDK 15, then that is okay. With JDK 15, if you are practicing, then it's okay. It is very good. But you keep JDK 1.8 and you install JDK 1.8.
Okay, sir.
So JDK Java Development Kit. Once JDK we are installing, compiler, linker, loader, assembler, header, debugger, interpreter automatically creating. So all the helper software components are automatically creating and forming an environment, and that all components are helping for the execution of a program. So if I will write, so what is JDK to develop and execute a Java program, the required environment is JDK. Then we will go to the JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So once JDK you will install, so you will go to C drive and you will go to program files folder and you will see there is a Java folder, and just to see JRE is automatically coming to our picture. Once JDK we are installing JRE, we can see. So what is JRE? Just to what? Run our program in our client machine. In client machine, our system is always considering as client machine. Okay, so in our client machine, just to run a Java program, the required environment is JRE. The required environment is JRE. Yesterday that I have told. So Java program executes in its own environment. So that environment is Java runtime environment. For this, Java is called as platform. In a client machine, in client machine, just to run a Java program, the required environment is JRE. Okay, so then what is JVM? So JVM is a first point. I will take one class for JVM. So in JRE, who is responsible to execute our Java program? So JVM is responsible. So in Java runtime environment, in JRE, JVM is responsible to execute Java program. So yesterday I had given the clarity. So how bytecode is converting into machine instruction by JVM. After converting into machine instruction, JVM providing a Java execution engine. Java execution engine is nothing but Java interpreter. Then Java interpreter executing our Java program by interpreting, means line by line. So I hope you got the clarity. JDK versus JRE and versus JVM. JDK is a Java software, Java development kit. Suppose I need to play cricket. For playing cricket, I need an environment. I need a field. I need a bat, ball, pad. This is kit. Once JDK software you are installing, you can get kit, compiler, interpreter, linker, loader, lots of software components. So we can say that are kit. Suppose I am playing cricket. So when I am going to play cricket, so I need bat, I need ball, I need what? Pad, gloves, everything. So that is the kit. Similarly, for executing a Java program, so compiler is required, interpreter is required, linker is required, loader is required. So these components, how we are getting by installing JDK software. So I can say JDK equals to JRE plus some tools. JRE equals to JVM plus libraries. So tools means in later on we will varieties of integrated development environments IDE we will see, and very on the most popular IDE is Eclipse. And in JRE, JVM is responsible to execute. JVM executing by taking some libraries. Okay, so yesterday little bit information I have given regarding libraries, some inbuilt method, inbuilt classes, inbuilt interfaces, we will see. So by taking libraries, JVM is executing our Java program. Okay, so I hope you got the clarity.